make pan-seared chicken. Today, Gina Young's going to show you all how easy it is to make delicious pan-seared chicken that is so easy to make. We're going to serve it with the lovely wild rice. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need you some chicken. You can do this with chicken thighs if you wanted to, but if I had to choose which one I want you to use between the breasts and the thighs, I would say the breasts like I'm going to use today. These are thin breasts. I have washed them off using lemon juice, salt, and cold water. We rub them together and give them a nice rinse off, pat them dry. You're going to need some honey, okay? You're also going to need some soy sauce. You can use the low salt soy sauce if you want. We're going to be using a really interesting ingredient, a little bit of vinegar, any kind of vinegar you have. And then I have this type of wild rice. It's so delicious. If you've never tasted it, you have to give it a try, okay? And we're gonna need some butter. In my pan, I got just enough oil that's coating the bottom of the pan. You're gonna need some spices to make everything come together and taste magnificent, right? So we have some chicken bouillon powder, and I'm using that for my salt, okay? Because it has salt in it. If you don't wanna use it or you don't have it, just use salt, okay? We have some parsley flakes. You know, it's for a garnish. Little bit of paprika. It's not smoked paprika. Onion and garlic powder. Make sure your hands are clean. It's lunchtime here at the Young's house. I'm going to show you how to make pan-seared chicken that tastes good. After you clean your chicken off using the lemon juice, the salt, and the cold water, you're going to pat the chicken dry. We're going to put like score marks into our chicken breast here, and here's how you do it. It's so simple, right? So we're not going all the way through the chicken. It's kind of like crisscross, but you're gonna see them because I'm doing it right now as we speak. Okay, what it really does is it gives the chicken a lovely design to it, right? I think it kind of changes the texture too, and I love that. So it's just like crisscross, just like that. We're gonna do each and every one just like so, and then we're gonna come back and season them. Basically, after you cut the chicken, here's what it's going to look like, and it kind of really opens up when you go to cook it. I'm going to wash my hands up and we're going to come back and season it. Let's get to seasoning it. I'm going in with the chicken bouillon powder, and really because this chicken breast is nice and thin, I don't have to season the other side. Just seasoning one side will be flavorful enough, because once we add in like our soy sauce and our vinegar and the honey, it really gives you more flavor, okay? So this is the bouillon powder that I'm putting on, just like so. Parsley flakes, and that's always to make it nice and gorgeous, right? And the paprikas to make it pretty too. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So we're gonna put our onion and garlic powder. Be pretty heavy with the onion and garlic powder on purpose. We want that flavor to shine through. Look how gorgeous these are. Are you kidding me? I'm all excited. Here's what I want to do, because I always do it with any meat that I'm cooking. You make sure that your meat is not super cold. If it's super cold and you go to cook it, it's going to turn out dry, especially chicken breast. So what I like to always tell everybody is kind of let the chill come off of the meat. Okay, and once that happens, then you go to cook it, you go to bake it or fry it, however you're cooking. It's going to cook up nice and juicy for you, versus starting to cook it while it's freezing cold. Kind of let those proteins relax. So now this gives me the perfect time to let these beautiful spices really seep down into this chicken, and I'm going to do that for about 12 to 15 minutes. Let's get our chicken right into the hot pan, and the seasoned side down, facing the pan. Oh yeah, that sizzle right there, and I'm hoping you can hear it. You want to hear that sizzle. If you hear it, you're moving in the right direction. I just like to tell everybody, make sure that you're sanitizing your cutting boards. After you're putting that raw meat on it, that requires you to take this up, grab another one, or sanitize it and then bring it back. And make sure your hands are always clean, because you don't want to transfer bacteria from your hands or this cutting board to anything else that you're getting ready to touch. Let's make some rice. I'm going to go ahead and make this long grain wild rice that I absolutely love. Listen to me. If you never had this before, it's a must that you try it. My family goes absolutely wild over it. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of turn this rice around, making sure all of it's coated in the oil. And then once it gets nice golden brown, we're going to put the seasoning packet in and the water that's required. Around a little bit, making sure every piece of rice is nice and coated. It'll get brown and like this lovely nutty flavor that I absolutely love. Golden brown crispy is what you're looking for. Now that we have that golden brown, let's put this beautiful seasoning packet in. I'm telling y'all, it tastes so good. The required amount of water. We're gonna let this come up to a quick boil. And after it comes up to a boil, here's what you do. You cover it, turn it down on low for 23 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn this chicken over. I know it's got some nice color to it. I'll tilt the pan a little so you can see what we got going on. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yeah. And the spices that we're getting ready to add to this is absolutely amazing. It's going to be honey, your favorite honey, soy sauce, and vinegar, and butter. And it's going to put a lovely sauce onto here that is finger looking good. Now, I want y'all to take a look at this chicken now, because this is what I want yours to look like. And if you did not get the chicken breast this thinly sliced like this, just know that that bigger one will take much more time to cook, and that's just fine. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for about 3 to 4 more minutes, and then we're gonna start on our sauce, including these 4 ingredients. And so now it's time to have fun. We're gonna make a sauce, and this sauce is the boss. Okay, so now listen to me. Any kind of vinegar that you have, whatever kind of vinegar you use, that's what you're going to use. I'm using 2 capfuls. Is it going to taste vinegary? Absolutely not. Don't pour it on your chicken, because if you pour it on your chicken, you'll kind of rinse off your beautiful spices, right? So I made sure to put that into the pan. Everything that we're doing right now is getting ready to create a lovely sauce that tastes so good. Okay, so we're going to go a couple times around with the soy sauce. You get the gist of how much I just used, right? We're going to do that same thing with the honey. Okay, it's okay to put some of that honey on your chicken and within the sauce. Just a couple times around, just like that. It's a sweet and it's a savory recipe. Okay, and then we're going to use a half a stick of butter. Let me get a butter knife, y'all. Be right back. We got a butter knife. I'm using a half a stick. This right here adds a loveliness. It's like, it makes a velvety sauce is what it does, okay? You can see that there basically is a sauce being created right now. And after it reduces, oh my goodness. Talk about good. I'm going to fan some of the steam away so y'all can see. And literally, a sauce is being created. And as it reduces down, it gets nice and thick, and you are going to absolutely love this. At some point, we're going to take our sauce and just pour it over top of that chicken. Oh my goodness. And yes, so, yes. It's been a couple minutes, and what's going to happen is the sauce reduces down. When it reduces down, of course, it thickens up. And you're going to take a spoon. We're going to take this lovely sauce, put it right on top of the chicken like that, okay? Keep basting the chicken with this sauce that has thickened up. And this sauce right here is the total boss. Oh my goodness. I'll show you what our sauce is looking like. Yes, yes, and double yes. You can see that that sauce is getting thickened up almost as if it was a barbecue sauce. Turn the chicken over. I also want to show you how the sauce really reduces down and thickens up. So it's turned over, but let me just show you. Let me pick a little bit up. I mean, it's almost like barbecue sauce. That's the thickness that we're getting here. Y'all, when I tell you you're going to love it, thank me later. I'm not kidding. It's so good. Go ahead and turn these off and set them aside. Our rice has like 5 more minutes, but come in close so you can see. You got to see the sauce. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Gina, are you kidding me? So simple. Served, and my husband is ready to eat, y'all. Are you kidding me? All right, so here's what I like to do. I'm going to take this wild rice just like this. Make it nice and beautiful. Anything I'm serving, doesn't matter what I'm serving. I want it to look gorgeous on the plate. I want it to be pleasingly aesthetic to the eye, you know. All right, so there we have it. And now we're going to turn around and take our chicken with this lovely sauce. Don't you dare throw away that sauce. That sauce is chef's kiss. Turn around. Put our chicken right on. Baby. Baby. Yes. Let's do it again. Yes. One more. Look at that. That's a look at this. Listen to me. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends, tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for your mercy, your love time, your understanding. We thank you for this meal. Amen. You stay tuned, because you're going to get that first taste, because you're excited. I'm excited too. It's lunchtime at the Young's house, and my family is awaiting. Oh my goodness. This is great. All right, let me get the perfect piece is what I'm looking for. All All right, and let me take that off because I want some rice too. Let's do it, y'all. That right there? Oh, that's good. Make you some.